South Africa's intelligence chief, Lieutenant General Dumisani Khumalo, is due to take the stand on Thursday and Friday in what is expected to be pivotal testimony before Parliament's ad hoc committee, probing allegations linked to the disbandment of the Police Political Killings Task Team, PKTT. Khumalo's appearance follows that of former acting National Police Commissioner Kgomoso Phahlane, who on Wednesday defended his controversial removal and suspension from office. Committee members have signaled that Khumalo's evidence may prove central to understanding internal tensions within the SAPS beyond heading crime intelligence. Khumalo previously led PKTT, whose dissolution set the inquiry in motion, placing him at the heart of the dispute sparked by KwaZulu-Natal Police Chief Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. ANC Member of Parliament Khuselo Sangoni Diko and also Chairperson of Parliament's Communications and Digital Technologies Committee said Khumalo was expected to shed light on police intelligence operations and long-standing concerns surrounding the Criminal Intelligence Fund, and said he's got a lot of insight and experience in SAPS as a whole. There have been ongoing battles around how the intelligence fund is used. With his first-hand knowledge of what transpired, it should be quite an interesting testimony. Sangoni Diko suggested Khumalo may corroborate elements of Mkhwanazi's explosive claims, though she stopped short of predicting the outcome. Said we are looking forward to that testimony, and I'm sure there will be a lot more still to uncover. The ad hoc committee has already secured 2 deadline extensions and is not expected to receive another. According to Parliament Speaker's office, Sangoni Diko acknowledged that the lifespan of the committee was never intended to be lengthy, prompting members to narrow their scope early. Despite those limits, she said the inquiry had exposed concerning institutional weaknesses within SAPS and to a lesser extent across the broader criminal justice system, and said we would have liked to go deeper, noting that engagements with the NPA, IDEC, municipal police services, and the judiciary had not been as expansive as hoped. Sangoni Diko flagged whistleblower protection, information classification, and disclosure protocols as priority areas that had surfaced during hearings. There's a sense that these are areas where we may need to strengthen the laws. We now need to apply ourselves in the final report and determine what reforms emerge. With Khumalo's testimony expected to frame the final phase of hearings, the committee is preparing to produce what Sangoni Diko described as a report with a lot of meat and potentially major implications for policing reforms in South Africa. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.